Hi, I'm Robert, and I want to show you some of the newest features of PadEdit 1.0. We're releasing it today. It's available now for download at honestcode.com/padedit. The first thing I want to show you is how the app works with the iPad, since it is in fact designed for it. PadEdit works great in both portrait and landscape orientation. Landscape works best for a little video here, but portrait, to me at least, seems very comfortable and affords you lots more screen area to do editing of files. Editing files with PadEdit works just the same way as in a desktop browser. You can open a file, make a change, and save it up to the server. You can add new folders if you want to. You can add new files in those folders. If I could spell. And you can save edits to those files if you want to. Super easy, super quick. One new feature of PadEdit 1.0 that I want to show you is file revisions. So I have saved this first file. I'm actually going to make a new change and save the file again. You'll notice that there is a little icon here that lets you revert to previous versions of the file. So for example, if you made a terrible mistake by uploading this change, you can actually go back, view the previous version, which did not have that change, and you can restore that version in one click. It's super easy. You can make another change if you want to. Totally different change. Save the file, and both versions are actually stored on the server if you want to. There's the first version, the second version with the new change, and now the reverted version. You can have as many of these revisions as you can store on the server. They're all stored separately. If you get tired of them, you don't want them there anymore, just log in with your favorite FTP software and delete them when you get back to your IDE on your desktop or whatever. So that is file versions. Works very, very well. The second new feature that I want to show you is beta support for Eclipse. If you're a developer and you use Coda by Panic, it's a great piece of software. We love the people at Panic. We love Coda, but you probably use a lot of Eclipse. Basically, if you want to, you can export your clips from Coda into PadEdit. And to do that, the first thing we need to do is export the clip itself, or the group of clips, from the Clips panel by choosing Export Group. Control-click on the item there and choose Export Group. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Now, the tricky part is you have to have the Mac OS X developer tools installed, because you need a piece of software called Property List Editor. Property List Editor will let you open the Clips file and save it as an XML file. So from the file menu now, we can choose Save As, and we can, from the file format list, choose XML Property List. That's the one we want. I'm just going to change this extension to XML because that's the kind of guy I am, and we'll save that file. Now we can upload that file actually right to our server so we can use it from wherever. Since uploading capabilities of the iPad are a little bit limited to pictures and movies and things like that, I'm going to cheat and use Safari to go ahead and upload our file to the server. I think you'll notice our new folder up there. There it is. I'm going to choose the file off my desktop, so there's general.xml, and upload, and there it is. Now we can click on the Clips icon and use the clips from that XML file. On the desktop browsers, you can just actually drag the file right into that box, import the snippets, and there they all are. It's pretty great. As a matter of fact, also it works very well with Wildcards. I'm going to make a new file here. New file .txt. And I have a snippet where if I make a link, I can select it, and it has a wildcard in there for the selected text. PadEdit honors the wildcard. It put the link in around the text, and it works very, very well. So you can actually use on the iPad as well. Now that the XML file is on the server, we can use the same clips if you like. You just have to specify where the XML file is, which can be a little bit tedious on the iPad. On the iPad, you can just actually drag the file right into that box. I'm just going to change this extension to XML because that's the kind of guy I am, and we'll save that file. Now we can because it tends to autocorrect things that ought not to be autocorrected. And say import snippets, and all of our snippets are right there. We can add them to, well, I just had my cursor right there, but add them to the file if you want to, and it works just like it does on desktop browsers. So that is those are the new features of PadEdit 1.0. It's free and it's available for download today, like I said, at honestcode.com/PadEdit. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy PadEdit.